Hey everyone, you can see that some old gas filling station here in the Frontier Automobile Museum in Wyoming, and you can see that some horse model and buggy. Here is a old car. This is a Hudson, and this is again a old coupe kind of car. This is a 1949 Hudson, and here, as we can see that, some old style, let me show you what it is inside. There's a washing, ironing, tailoring, alteration. That's how the shop used to look back then, you know. So, and here is another shop, which is a watch shop, watch and shoes and everything, accessories shop. So here you can see that this is how in those days these watch and accessories shop used to look, and that's what they're trying to show us here. And here is the horse itself, and here is another shop. This is a gun shop or something. You can see that guns and everything here, Buffalo Bill image and everything. And here is our horse sledge buggy, and here is a restroom. How they looked those days. This is a dyno from Sinclair, Sinclair dyno. This is how it looks, right? And here, this is the same room. I'm showing you from a different angle. And here is, a shop in those days where they used to serve Coke and everything, all kind of cosmetics. And this is another old belly playing. This is what they call, I forgot the name of this game. What they call pinball. Yeah, this is known as a pinball. This is a pinball. Yeah, you put the coin here, but this is a very old version. So yeah, you can see everything here, and these are some ointment and cream and everything, whatever was used those days. So yeah, this is our Sinclair dyno. Once again, there's a bigger version of the Sinclair dyno. You can see that bigger version of the Sinclair dyno. And here is our Hudson Super 6. This is a Hudson Super 6 stuff, and another car. So yeah, this is what it is. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like us and comment if you like anything, and try to follow us on all of our social media, which is mentioned below in the video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day ahead. Bye.